Want to work faster in Microsoft Word? Here are 7 keyword shortcuts you will use every day. First, select your text. Now press Ctrl+1 to apply single line spacing. Then press Ctrl+5 for 1.5 line spacing. Press Ctrl+2 for double line spacing. Need to align your text. Press Ctrl+R to align right. Press Ctrl+E to center align. Press Ctrl+L to align left and press Ctrl+J to justify your paragraph for a clean professional look. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and shortcuts.